Issues involved in enforcement of environmental legislation. Environmental legislation is evolved to protect our environment as a whole, our health, and the earth's resources. The presence of a legislation to protect air, water, soil, etc. does not necessarily mean that the problem is addressed. Once a legislation is made at the global, national and state level, it has been to be implemented. For a successful environmental legislation to be implemented, there has to be an effective agency to collect relevant data, process it, and pass it on to a law enforcement agency. If the law or rule is broken by an individual or institution, this has to be punished through the legal process. Information to law enforcement. Officials must also come from concerned individuals. In most situations, if no cognizance is given, the interested concerned individual must file a public interest litigation for the protection of the environment. There are several NGOs in the country such as WWFI, BEAG and the BNHS, which take these matters to court in the interest of conservation. Anyone can request them to help in such matter. There are also legal experts such as MC Mehta, who have successfully fight cases in the court to support environmental cases. A related issue in the fact that there are several irregular practices for which a bribe to an dishonest official is used to cover upon offense. Thus, the general public must act as a watchdog, not only to inform concerned authorities, but also to see that actions are taken against offenders. Thank you. Have a nice day.